Okay, on one of my earlier videos, I showed how you can customize your File Explorer to come up nice and clean like this. But what happens if you want it even cleaner? Maybe you don't want the ribbon bar up top with all those functions. Matter of fact, you may only use one or two of those and not the other ones. Well, it's very easy to minimize it. You just go to the upper right-hand corner, click on the little down arrow, and you can either collapse or expand it, depending upon what condition it's in. But what if I like some of these functions available to me? Not all of them, but some of them. Well, there's a solution. You just go up here to the top left corner and you'll see a small drop-down arrow, and when you click on it, you get a menu of functions you can add to the small blue bar at the top. For example, if I click on the undo on the list there, you'll see that there's an undo. It's in gray, but there's a redo at the top. And then we go on down the line, delete, properties, and new folder, and rename. So those are the 4 or 5 functions that you can customize. Okay, now we've gotten rid of the ribbon. We've minimized the ribbon. So how do we use this new toolbar? Well, I've navigated to a place where I have some files I work on. And you see, I can't actually use some of those or grayed out until I've highlighted a file. So I've clicked on the checkbox and highlighted, and now you see the icons are able to be used. So now that I'm there, let's go ahead and check the properties. So if I click on the properties box like that, and there it is, there's all the details about the file. Now I can also create a new folder from here. If I click on that, whether or not I have a file highlighted, I can click on that and create a new folder. And I can also use the undo button to get rid of that folder. But let's say I just want to rename a file. Click on the file to highlight it, go up there, say rename, and type in something silly here with a new name, and I'm done. Now if I don't like that, okay, I can just click on the box again, do the undo, and it's back to its normal name. So there you have it. If you don't like the large ribbon bar and some of the extra functions that are listed there, you can minimize it and just use some of the quick access functions up here simply by following the customization procedures. Hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video. If you want more, don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter. The links are in the description of this video.